In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the RPA section in AdsPower, a powerful tool for automating routine tasks. So let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of this feature-rich platform. First, you'll want to get started by launching AdsPower and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the RPA section. When you do, you'll be greeted with a series of tabs, including Processes, Marketplace, Scheduled, Task Log, and API. These tabs are your gateways to automating and streamlining your workflows. Next, let's head over to the Processes tab, which is where the magic happens if you want to create your own automations. Click on the Processes tab, then locate and select the Create Process button, which is typically found at the top of the page. This will open up the RPA editor, your hub for designing custom automation tasks. Within this editor, you have the flexibility to record or manually add steps to your automation sequence. For example, you can start with opening a website like Facebook, then inputting text such as your username and password, followed by clicking on buttons like Login. Once you've finished creating your process, don't forget to save it with a descriptive name, something like Facebook Auto Login, just so you can easily identify it later. For those who prefer ready-made solutions, the Marketplace tab has you covered. Click on this tab and you'll discover a wide array of pre-made RPA scripts, ranging from login bots to posting bots, and even scraping bots. Browse through these options, and when you find one that suits your needs, simply click Install. Once installed, the script will conveniently appear in your processes list, ready to be deployed. Now, let's talk about setting a schedule for your automation tasks. Click on the Scheduled tab and then the ++ Add Schedule button. Here, you get to decide which process you want to run and set the timing for it. Do you want it to run just once, daily, or on a repeat cycle? Make your selection and hit Save. With this done, AdsPower will take care of the rest, running your tasks automatically based on your schedule. To keep track of all the automation tasks you've run, head over to the Task Log tab. This is where you can view a detailed history of your RPA runs, including whether they were successful or if they failed, the exact time they were executed, and any errors that might have occurred. This information is invaluable for troubleshooting and refining your processes. For advanced users looking to connect AdsPower RPA with other tools or scripts, the API tab is your friend. Here you can generate API keys, opening up a world of possibilities for integrating your automations with external systems. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of running RPAs in AdsPower. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to enhancing efficiency and productivity in your daily operations.